Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss adjectives. We are going to learn what is an adjective, what are different forms of adjectives, how many types of adjectives are there, what is the function of adjectives in a sentence, and what is the formation of adjectives. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that modify or describe nouns or pronouns. They provide more information about noun or pronoun of its size, color, shape, or state of being. Look at this example. The big red apple. In this phrase, both big and red are adjectives describing the noun apple. Form of adjectives. We see adjectives in three forms: positive form, comparative form, and superlative form. Take this as an example: big, bigger, biggest. Types of adjectives. We can categorize adjectives into 6 different forms. Descriptive adjectives. These adjectives describe the qualities or characteristics of nouns. Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point out specific nouns and indicate their position in space or time. Quantitative adjectives. These adjectives specify the quantity or amount of nouns. Possessive adjectives. These adjectives show ownership or possession. Interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns. Indefinite adjectives. These adjectives refer to non-specific nouns. Descriptive adjectives. These adjectives vividly portray the qualities or characteristics of nouns, enriching our descriptions. Tall, beautiful, delicious, sweet, etc. Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point out specific nouns and help indicate their position in space or time, providing clarity. Examples: this, that, these, those. This rose is very beautiful. Quantitative adjectives. These adjectives precisely specify the quantity or amount of nouns, offering numerical or comparative information. Many, few, several, even 100 rupees. 100 is adjective there. Possessive adjectives. These possessive adjectives indicate ownership or possession, establishing relationships between nouns and their owners. My, your, his, her, its, our, their, my sister, his book, etc. Interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns, seeking clarification or information. Examples: what, which, whose. Which pen do you want? Whose book do you take? What is your name? Etc. Adjectives. These adjectives refer to non-specific nouns, suggesting an unspecified quantity or identity. For example, some, any, all, each, every. So you can take some pencils. Any one of you can go. All of you sit here, etc. Function of adjectives. Adjectives can function in various ways within a sentence. Attributive function. Adjectives directly modify the noun they precede. For example, the blue sky. Predicative function. Adjectives follow linking verbs and describe the subject. For example, the sky is blue. Nominal function. Adjectives act as nouns in a sentence. The poor deserve our help. The poor means the poor people. Formation of adjectives. We can form adjectives out of nouns, verbs, and even other adjectives by adding suffix y, al, full, less, ish. We can make adjectives out of nouns. To the verbs, we can add the suffix able, ive, ing to make adjectives. So by adding prefix un to some adjectives, so you can make another adjective, un, in, im, ir, etc. In conclusion, adjectives are often described as the paint brushes of language. They play a vital role in articulating our thoughts and enriching our expressions. From descriptive to interrogative, we have witnessed how these versatile words enhance the depth and clarity of our communication. Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions about adjectives? Feel free to ask.